Hello everyone, and welcome back to Snack and Cure. Today, we're diving into a fruit that's been cherished for generations in tropical regions, especially across Asia and Africa. Sweet, cooling, and refreshing. This fruit is known as the palm fruit. Whether you've heard it called ice apple, to, or tati fruit, the palm fruit is one of the most refreshing gifts of summer. At first glance, its outer shell may look tough, but inside lies a delicate, jelly-like fruit that feels like biting into nature's own dessert. In today's episode, we're going to explore everything about this incredible fruit, its health benefits, possible side effects, how you can eat it, the many types of palm fruit, and even its cultural significance. By the end, you'll see why this tropical delight is more than just a snack. It's truly a natural cure. 1. What is palm fruit? Palm fruit comes from the Palmyra palm tree, Borassus flabellifer, which is native to South and Southeast Asia. This tree is often referred to as the tree of life because every part of it is useful. The fruit, leaves, sap, trunk, and even roots. The fruit itself grows in clusters and has a thick, fibrous outer shell. Inside, you'll find 2 to 3 transparent, jelly-like pods that are incredibly juicy and mildly sweet. During hot summers, palm fruit is one of the most hydrating and cooling natural foods. Other palm species also give edible fruits, such as date palm, oil palm, and peach palm. But in this script, we'll focus mainly on the ice, apple, palm fruit, the most widely consumed form, and later expand into other types. 2. Health benefits of palm fruit. Isn't just delicious, it's packed with nutrition and traditional medicinal uses. A cooling effect acts as a natural body coolant in hot climates. Prevents dehydration and heat stroke. Dehydration and electrolytes' high water content helps restore lost body fluids. Contains minerals like potassium and sodium that balance electrolytes. C. Digestive health. Rich in fiber that improves digestion and prevents constipation. Soothes stomach ulcers and acidity. D. Skin and hair benefits. The fruit pulp is sometimes applied to the skin to treat rashes, prickly heat, and inflammation. Consuming it regularly keeps skin hydrated and glowing. E. Energy booster provides instant energy due to its natural sugars. Great as a pre-workout or post-exercise fruit. F. Weight management, low in calories and filling. Helps reduce unnecessary food cravings. G. Nutrient profile contains vitamins A, C, and B complex. Provides minerals like potassium, iron, calcium, and zinc. Antioxidants help fight free radicals and slow down aging. 3. Precautions and warnings and natural foods must be enjoyed with care. Here are some things to keep in mind. Overconsumption. Eating too many palm fruits at once may cause bloating or mild stomach upset. Hygiene factor. Since the fruit is watery and perishable, it must be consumed fresh. Spoiled fruit can cause food poisoning. Pregnant women. While safe in moderation, excessive intake may cause digestive discomfort. Diabetic patients. Palm fruit contains natural sugars, so portion control is important. 4. Side effects of palm fruit: loose stools. Too much fiber can lead to diarrhea. Cold sensitivity. Overeating can sometimes cause chills or a feeling of coldness in the body. Allergic reactions. Rare, but possible for those with palm tree allergies. Bacterial contamination. If not handled properly, the juicy pods can harbor bacteria. 5. Drug interactions. Palm fruit is generally safe, but caution is advised if you are taking diuretic medications, since palm fruit itself is hydrating. It can alter fluid balance. Diabetes medication. Its natural sugars might interfere with blood sugar levels if consumed in excess. Always check with a doctor if you're on long-term medication. 6. How to eat palm fruit directions. For use, palm fruit can be enjoyed in many ways. Eat raw. Simply scoop out the jelly-like pods and enjoy them chilled. Palm fruit juice. Blend with a little sugar, honey, or lemon for a refreshing summer drink. Palm fruit jaggery karupati. The sap from the tree is boiled into jaggery, a natural sweetener. Desserts used in puddings, ice creams, and Indian sweets like payasam. Fruit salad. Mix palm fruit with mangoes, bananas, or papayas for a tropical mix. Fermented drinks. In some regions, the sap is fermented into palm wine or toddy. 7. Types of palm fruit. Palm fruit isn't limited to one variety. Different palm trees around the world give edible fruits. One Palmyra palm fruit, Borassus flavoliver, known as ice apple or nungu, most common in India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Myanmar. 2. Date palm Phoenix dactylifera produces dates. Sweet, chewy fruits high in energy and iron. 3. Oil palm Elias guineensis produces palm oil. Widely used in cooking and processed foods. 4. Peach palm Bactris gasipes, found in Central and South America. Fruits are starchy and cooked before eating. 5. Coconut palm Cocos nucifera produces coconuts, water, milk, and oil. Each type has unique nutritional and cultural value, making palm fruits some of the most versatile foods in the world. 8. Cultural and traditional uses in India and Sri Lanka. Palm fruit is a traditional summer food to cool the body. In Africa, palm oil extracted from palm fruit is used in stews and cooking. In Polynesia, the sap is fermented into palm wine for ceremonies. In Ayurveda, palm fruit is considered a natural coolant and remedy for acidity. 9. Why palm fruit is special. Palm fruit isn't just food. It's a symbol of tropical survival and culture. From being a farmer's refreshing drink in the hot sun to being part of local sweets. This fruit connects people with tradition, health, and nature, ending so friends. That's everything you need to know about the palm fruit, its side effects, how to enjoy it, and the different types that exist across the world. Palm fruit proves that nature always gives us exactly what we need, especially during the hot season: hydration, energy, and healing. But remember, moderation is key. Enjoy it fresh, keep it hygienic, and let it nourish your body and soul. If you enjoyed today's video on Snack and Cure, don't forget to like this video to support us. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to Snack and Cure for more health-based stories about nature's treasures. And here's my question for you. Have you ever tried palm fruit? If yes, do you prefer it raw, as juice, or in a dessert? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay healthy, stay refreshed, and keep discovering the cures hidden in nature.